Let's solve the following trig equation. We have the cosine of x is equal to negative 0.8092. Alright, this is not one of our standard values that we're looking at here. So remembering, when we're dealing with trig equations, we have to address the sign of the cosine first. The sign in this case is negative. Because that's negative, our two solutions will be in quadrant 2 and in quadrant 3. So let's address the first case. What we'll do to solve for x is on your calculator, let's take the inverse cosine of both sides. And from this, the inverse cosine of negative 0.8092 gives us a value. Now, in this particular problem, I think it's best to go with degrees first. 144.0178 degrees. And note that that is in quadrant 2 once you pile that into your calculator. All right? Now, from this, we need to find the angle in terms of quadrant 3. So what we have to do is come up with a reference angle. Because this is in quadrant 2, we'll use the formula theta prime is equal to 180 degrees minus the 144.0178. We get a nice reference angle then of 35.9822 degrees. Now use that reference angle to get to quadrant 3, and from this we get x is approximately 215.9822. A lot of decimals flying around here, but those are our two solutions for this cosine equation. However, the direction told us specifically that our solution had to be between 0 and 2 pi radians, so we need to multiply each of these by pi over 180 so that we can answer this correctly the way the author wants it. So in doing so, we come up with some approximate radian values. For 144.0178, 4 decimal places, we get 2.5136, no label here because this is radians, and that satisfies our interval up here. In a similar fashion, 215.9822 degrees taken times pi over 180 will give us an approximate radian answer of 3.769624 decimal places. So we've done it. We've solved the equation cosine of x is equal to negative 0.8092.